Welcome. In front of me I have the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this device. So my glass came in a nice little package full of different tempered glasses. So this one is, I'm pretty sure, for the iPhone. I'm gonna dry fit it. Yep, looks about right. It says basically 15 PM. So I'm assuming Pro Max. So there we go, that's my glass. It does also come with wipes right here if I want to use those, but I actually don't. They're also labeled if you want to use them. So you have number 1, which is the wet. That's what you start off, and then you finish up with the dry. But I'm just gonna finish up straight away with the microfiber cloth and do the job correctly right off the bat. So when cleaning off your display, you just want to make sure you get rid of all the kind of dirt that might be on the display, and then also make sure that there's no dust particles on the display. I recommend keeping your microfiber cloth at the ready, just so you can kind of like give it a little swipe like this and get rid of the dust. From there, once your display is prepped for application, you want to peel off the number 1 sticker if you have like more than one, and then holding it by the edges, align it at the top, so right over here, like this. And I do pinch it from side to side, and also the bezels of the phone, just so I can feel if I need to shift it to the left or right side of the display. And from there, I'm just gonna lower it down like this, and you can see that it's already gluing itself with a massive air bubble that got left behind. Now I can fix that on in a second. There we go. Now it's also doing this with the case. You can take off the case if you want to, or you can keep it on as a kind of like a guideline where your tempered glass should be laying, because obviously if you shift it a little bit too much to the edge, the case will prevent the glass from sticking all the way to the display. Now with that being said, let's fix that up. So I'm gonna take off the case. So to fix this, I'm just gonna lift it up a little bit gently so I don't actually get any kind of trash under the display or under the glass. There we go. And there we go. Rest is just cleaning to get rid of all the kind of like scuffs that are on here. But there we go. The glass is now perfectly applied to the display, evenly spaced out too, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.